How you doing, guys? We have an amazing and exciting day here in Bangkok, Thailand today, as we are forming an official collaboration between the Rosewood Bangkok Hotel and Corsair Group. Rosewood Bangkok is by far considered internationally by one of the top luxury hotels in the world, and we are absolutely thrilled to have this collaboration announced here today, and for the Rosewood Bangkok to join the plastic waste collection program, and also to begin using the CSR plastic credit as a way for the hotel to become certified plastic neutral. So I want to truly say thank you very much for all of you in your management team for this great collaboration and your initiative and your actions of protecting the Thai environment from the plastic pollution. So thank you very much for that.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Kap kun kap.
Thank you so much for our collaborations. This is a very impressive for the professional one to come to join us in this very kind of important for the Rosewood Group. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Kap kun ma kap.
Thank you for Corsair to collaborate about the waste selection, and we are happy to work with the Corsair. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Kap kun ma kap.